a fair judgment and criticism. So obi pejane ne dia Mr. Muntie no was supreme. Muntie today obi is it not worrying that all the relevant agencies intelligence bodies in Yinano as we speak now, apart from the directive that the president gave that you inform this committee apart from saying none of them
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Omanhene have been speaking, OB2 has been speaking, and they have raised genuine concerns. Very, very genuine concerns because we are all citizens, and in Zambia, currently, it must ring a bell, or we must all be worried about it. And anyone who is not worried, maybe that person is enjoying from the negative news that is flowing. Now, in all these things, one thing that say way it is not normal a posture of government and government communication, especially the government spokesperson our Honorable Felix Ofosu Kwache. Ni posture, ni kasem, ni attitude, ni response, ni releases our release our Facebook, our Twitter, our friend say X, and other places Utime who say, guy man no, why desperate dodo? Guy man I desperate dodo. I say, bibi won sem ni moi, efa ni hu personally. Because yes at least one thing under Dr. Dampare that we so much loved, and I believe, unless otherwise, we have to give recognition and appreciation to whom it is due. Communication every now and then updates about Facebook, especially Ghana Police for social media handle of Facebook. Every now and then they were holding press conferences, so we were updated. Say investigation there and all those is about in the police. We are updated under that party. Now it so happens say shipment biba Omanhene, which are raising issues, because these things did not just appear out of the blue. No, obi nedi buy, and I say nkrofo bi na mudi buy. Na say nkrofo bi na mudi buy enso a every bi na be duga na man. Na say one citizen is asking questions, most of which questions are actually relevant questions. One will expect say security service ni intelligence service BNI, and as I say friend NIB, narcos or is it narcoc or whatever, I think narcoc, Narcotics Commission, and the rest, CID, and all of them. One would expect say PROs will come out and update Ghanaians as to how far with investigation and what angle or direction is the investigation taken.
A simple direct release from these people to tell us what they've. Then we move on. If you have contrary information to what they've put out, then you come back. Why is Felix Kwache the spokesperson? Why is Felix? Why?
From the Itiadana say Ghana Airport Company, they manage the facility. Regulator, Ghana Civil Aviation Authority, they are quiet. Agencies no man penika so monhwehwe police CID quiet, National Intelligence Bureau quiet, IOCO quiet. Almost all the agencies are quiet on such a sensitive national security.
Me sure they are quiet, Let government change. This matter will come up. We will know all the culprits if they are some there. So as we speak, 18 for Central 4, the Obofo, Nananum, politicians, businessmen, or be interpretation of the subject matter. And sometimes it's like, sebi. A man yourself funny be meals as if say, yeah, the enim the air crow, you go school, the enim the eka, it's in 2 grand anymore, and we share on share, enim bibia, both parties in our beer experts in some those relevant government acknowledged agencies. What is happening?
Well, this is true, unless say maybe we've not sat down to look at the magnitude of the issue we are dealing with.
That I didn't remember Sigana.
Yes.
Now, I didn't be a raise suspicion. Say, I didn't buy, you know. Or Susan, you may be a caution and your papa. I can no mark a Sia, William Shelbia. Do you think that we are safe? We are secured? That none of these entities. And I'm at the response. If you look at Nyomakra area, Kwachofu, any area, a revenue team for Jaka, as our boy cross it, because I practicing
all over the place.
Practicing
all over the place. Some inconsistencies here and there. All over the place. And that's why maybe I thought when the president gave the directive, the first thing I was expecting was a holding statement from, if it's the National Security Coordinator and they coordinate your money now, a holding statement.
At least.
Pursuant to President Directive.
Exactly.
Say.
This is the first step that we've taken. This is the committee. We'll get back to Ghanaians.
Simple.
1 month update.
Yes, update.
We cannot be distracted all the time by pettiness in terms of our body politics. It's painful, Obi.
Because already, no man, and we put them in Kawan, already, apart from in Team for JDM, you know, said there had already been some bust. $350 million, $150 million, together $500 million. We've not heard anything about them. It is based on intervention, national security, chase uncle for assume a senior bentain, and are they saying, say, you could your money can say good baby.
And I'm saying that let government change today. These institutions normally silent, you know.
Yes.
You see the release.
Well, even if say in team for Jordan, and on fire evidence be a mind, you're buying so you're interested. Fine. But, 350 million.
No, but
any 150 million.
No, but you cannot also conclude that.
That is what is done in advanced nations, for crying out loud. That is how it's done. And not a government spokesperson jumping today will say this, tomorrow he will say that, he will attack this person, that person. You see, in some to say we mono, and yeah, the idea politics. Same be say, in fact, politics. Because it borders on our international image as well. Nanwa obi guy man be next be free US and already be 2 weeks Ghana. Until some call back no. Or do US onuma or airport onuma. They searched him for over 2 hours. Wele crowd they call a cry yes Mankini how they call it. Yes Mankini yes obet me the cocaine and share Mankini. Yes. So our reputation in front of the international community, it is at stake. And we must not play or downplay the importance of it. We must not. And it's a NIB4, CID, and all other investigative bodies are involved into this whole cocaine stuff investigations. They should give updates. We need updates. We need to know what is going on. And very important to us. It's so important. Vital. So that we know. And if there's any help we can accord them as citizens, we'll accord. This has been the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Nsem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.